Season 2 references the movie Hackers more than once. It's probably true that no one appreciates Mr. Robot more than actual hackers. And the show goes a long way to satisfy that target audience. During the premiere episode of Season 2, Darlene sets the E-Corp bank hack in motion. She types in, "Hack the Gibson." Hack the Gibson is a popular quote from the 1995 computer nerd cult film Hackers. The hugs part of the line is a nod to social engineer Jason E. Street, a popular figure in the computer world, who has made a name for himself at hacker conferences by giving people hugs. In Season 3, Episode 2, Hackers is referenced yet again. And Elliot is emailing the FBI. The recipient is the Plague, and the sender is Eugene Belford. This is Fisher Stevens's character in the film. Christian Slater gets 2 shout-outs. The arcade game is named after the Notorious hacking group Lizard Squad. Sam Esmail pulls a Hitchcock. Sam Esmail pulls a Hitchcock. Every time a hacker types in an IP address, it leads to an actual website in the real world.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.